Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we are going to see how to make Emacs unusable using the hook post self-insert hook. So specifically, what we are going to do is to insert two carets each time we insert a character in the buffer. First thing we have to understand is what happens when we insert character in a buffer. So if we press FOO, each time we pressed those keys, the command self-insert command has been run. So we can check that by pressing Ctrl H K and now F, and we have that help buffer that tells us that yes, pressing F runs the command self-insert command, and we can see at the end of that help that at the end of self-insert command it runs the hook post self-insert hook. So we can use that hook to do something each time we insert a character. So let's add a function to that hook, to that variable, so which is a list of functions that are executed each time the command self-insert command run. And now we want to pass it as a second argument the function insert dash double caret. So before we add that function to the hook post self-insert hook, we also write the expression that will remove that function to the hook. Now we define that function insert dash carets by evaluating the expression at the top. We are at that second expression, we evaluate that, and now if we press F or maybe FOO, we see that we have the caret that are inserted each time we insert a character. Now we evaluate the last expression to remove the insert dash caret function to the hook, and now we can write through without any trouble. That's it for today. See you in the next video.